1930 Ford Model A Tudor sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. All steel body, fenders, and running boards. Under the hood, 201 cubic inch. L-head inline 4-cylinder, paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. As you get a good look at the bright work up front with the bumper, grills around, headlight buckets and bezels. As you can see, two-tone combination with the brown and black. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Steel spoked wheels is a bias ply tire. Technician did note those are starting to show their age a little bit. And as far as the paint, it's not perfect. Does it still have a nice shine? Absolutely. But there's a few scuffs here and there. I kind of say with these old original looking 30 Model A's, 29 Model A's, it's kind of what you would expect the paint to look like. They're utilitarian. And this one you could still drive in parades, to your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Interior is a beige cloth. Headliner in good shape. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. You'll be able to see the condition of the vinyl on the top in the still pictures, also nice shape up there, rear mounted spare. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com for all those still pics. A couple notes from the technician on this one: speedo and odometer in op. Brakes are 60% in the front, 80% in the rear. And said it drove out nice. So we take a look down the driver's side. If you like these early Model A's and T's, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. All right, door panels, nice shape, little storage pocket there, sewn in both sides. Rear windows will also roll down. Very simple cars. Turn the key here, and gas is on underneath there, that lever right there. Choke is here. I don't think we're going to need that. Push start on the floor. Might need the choke. There we go. Fired right up. You can see the amp meter is working. Fuel gauge is working. About a half. Make sure we're in neutral. Here's the throttle. We can actually lower that just a tad. This thing purrs like a kitten. Door closes nicely. Give you an idea how it sounds. And I think we should slip up to the front, check out the engine bay. Let's see. We'll go lift it up on this side, see what side's the most exciting here. I do have that idle down quite a bit, but you can see running smooth. And again, that engine gone through in 2020, so not a lot of miles on that. Paint it up. There you go. Stick around. Jason's going to take it for a spin too. 1930 Ford Model A Tudor sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate, though, when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1930 Ford Model A. Kind of a chocolate brown and black combo. Good colors. 3-speed manual on the floor like most of them are. Very nice running. Started up really quickly, really easily. Just a little choke and then shut the choke off and you're good to go. Clutch feels good. Shifting is easy. There's definitely a vibration here and there in a Model A, as most of them have. It's the nature of the antique automobile. We have an amp gauge right here showing that it is charging above 0. Now our speed is dancing at 0. That's not giving me my miles per hour. The fuel gauge is the float, which is also very cool if you've seen those, showing about a half the tank. A little bit of slack in the steering, also expected. Hardly impacts driving at all. This is one of those cars where it's hard to tell if was it restored in some ways or did it just survive, because the interior looks really nice for its age, but it also looks original to me. Got a rear view mirror, the windshield that tilts out for ventilation. Lots of seating and room in the back, extra leg room. You can roll the rear windows down. That's a nice bonus for cars like this. A great ride on the highway. You can feel the imperfections in the road, but not hardly harsh at all. Leave it in third gear going around this corner because it is torquing right through it. Such a great running Model A. Be sure and head over to our website and look at all the pictures up and close of this Model A at uniqueclassiccars.com.